Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got the OP-10 booster box, Japanese version. Yep, I'm gonna open today this one. The box is really nice. There's plenty to open. I think it includes 24 pack, I think. Yes, it includes 24 booster pack. So yeah, I'm gonna open it. Who is your favorite One Piece character? For me, I think, yeah, pretty much is Luffy and Zoro. But here, what do you expect to get? Robin, yeah, favorite one. Bonnie, okay. Chopper, wow, that's pretty epic for the first card. Nice. Okay, that's nice. I think Kit, yeah. Okay, let's open the second one. It's from this one is Celestra, Doffy family, I think. Cavendish, Sorrow. Okay, another one. Law from the Kid crew. This one is Little Run from the Dressrosa. Oh, Sanji. Nice. Let's open another pack. I see the shiny in the pack. Draco. This one is Frankie, but in the body I think it's Chopper. I think it's Nami, yeah. Oh, Frankie. Nice, nice, shiny card. Another one. Frankie, Robin, Nami. Oh, Mihawk. Nice. Just comment below what booster box should I buy or should I open next. If you want, just give me some idea for the channel to grow. Brooke. What's this? That's also a nice one. Shiny. Let's open another pack. Nice. Sorrow. Babyfied. Doffy. Nice Doffy. Let's open another one. $24 pack is pretty plenty, but still is good to open then. It's Babyfied partner. Forget the name. Nice. Oh, I love it. This one. Pedora, I think. Caesar Claw. Oh, Doffy brother. Russian and I just love Peruna. She's really cute. Also, this one is nice. I think it's SR, yeah, super rare. Law and Russian. Let's open another one. Luffy fan. Paladolome. Admiral Fujidora, I think. Frankie. That's lore from the Revolutionary. Robin from the Blood Bread crew, yeah. Let's open another one. Brooke. Okay. What I want from this one is I want lore. Just give me lore and I will be satisfied, yeah. Nami. Nice one, Nami. Cavendish. Luffy. That's Brooke. Edward. UK White Bread. Oh, Doffy. That looked sick. I love that card. Okay, let's open another one. Brook. Okay, I see from the back. Spoiler. What's that? Law, I think, yeah. It's nice. Okay, let's open another one. Sorrow, Cavendish, Nami. Oh, Sorrow. Nice one. After I open this one, I will open this box. We will see what this one is. Okay. Corona. Nice. Cavendish. Look great. Okay. Let's open this one. This looks nice. Okay. What is this? Oh, it's like this. I think if this one is cup holder for the, when you go outside or you want to butter something, you put the card inside, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. But still cool for the price, and then it's only €5. Yeah. Okay, let's open then. Okay. Another one. Chopper. Frankie is in the body. Nice. Funny. Oh, that looked nice. Marcos. Sick. Okay, we only have 5 more, and then finish. Even got. Okay. Very fast. Oh, Peruna. Oh, Sabo. That's good. Let's put it in the sleeve. 3 more. I hope we get the lower, but still, if I got Usopp. Viola, I think. This one. Two more, only two more left. Solo. Okay. Oh, Monet. That's SR, I think. Yeah. Monet. Look good. Looking good. This is the last one. Let's open it. And hopefully we got something out of it. Come on, baby. Okay. Usopp. Okay, that's still look good. Anyway, we don't have any law, any chase card so far. Anyway, thank you for watching today. So yeah, cheers.